Alright guys, today I'm back with another unboxing for you. It is Inuyasha Season 7, or 7th season, or whichever it is. Anyway, final unboxing of Inuyasha for now, hopefully. But as of right now, can't wait for Viz. Can't wait for them to bring back Inuyasha for the final act. Hopefully it'll be soon. If not, I'll be mad. But anyway, let's do this. Anyway, Inuyasha 7th season box set. Anyway, at the front, this spine. You can see it, Inuyasha 7th season. Sacred Jewel Shard, you can tell it was going to be a little one because you can see a little crack right there. Sacred Jewel Shard, Inuyasha is, oh yeah, top. The back, if you can read that, by all means, that's 4 discs. 4 discs at the bottom. The front, spine, the back, the story, little thing right here, and the final with the Japanese crew, questions for the English language voice actors. Richard Cox, you do make a great Inuyasha. I hope you do come back. I really do. Anyway, Sacred Jewel Shard. I haven't seen this show since June. I rewatched this so many times. I just keep forgetting their names. But anyway, that person, I think that's Narakuza, or that mother's the big bird, or whatever. Anyway, Kagome, Kikyo, on disc 1. Disc 1 has episodes 147 through episodes 152. The Thursday Inuyasha special. Right there is Inuyasha, and hopefully his name's on here because I do know it. Crap, it doesn't say. Anyway, this too has episodes 153 through 157. Shomaru. Unfortunately, I did know that Shomaru's voice actor is not coming back for the final act, I believe. I'm not for sure on that. I think that's just rumor going around, but hopefully he does come back. Hopefully he does. Please let him do. But anyway, this 3 has episodes 158 through 162. And you have, of course, the stars, which is Kagome and Inuyasha. Kagome's... Anyway, Disc 4 has episodes 163 through 167. And it's an Inuyasha special again. I don't see why they would call it Inuyasha special. Either way, that was my unboxing of Inuyasha Season 7. Stay tuned out for next week. Hopefully my next order, which is Yu Yu Hakusho and the new Yu Yu Hakusho release for the little, what was it, crap, I forgot what it was. But anyway, I'll be unboxing the new Yu Yu Hakusho box set, which will have 2 discs in it, whatnot. And it'll include the original Japanese voices in 1 disc and the dubbed on the second one. But anyway, that was my unboxing of Yu Yu Hakusho Season 7. Like I always say, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Oh, one more, guys. Check out my background when you go on YouTube. You might love it. It's air gear. Anyway, later guys.